Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to insert an irrational number between the given two rational number. So we will do this with some example problem. So here the example is we are going to find two irrational number between 2 and 3. First you need to know what is this 2 and 3. They are actually an rational number. These are all the rational number, right? So I am going to find two irrational number between these two rational number. So first we will follow one method. So what I'm going to do, take a number line. So at this point 2 is there. That means on the left hand side 2 is there, on the right hand side 3 is there. So I'm going to find an irrational number between these two, right? So that means I'm going to find in between some irrational number between 2 and 3. So how to find it? Just take a square root and multiply the two endpoints. So what are the two endpoints? 2 into 3. Just we are going to find the square root. Inside the square root we are going to do the product of the two given numbers. So what it is, it's nothing but root 6. So now root 6 is lying between the rational number 2 and 3. Now what is root 6? Is it rational or an irrational? Yeah, exactly, it's an irrational number. Now we found one irrational number, but we need to find one more irrational number because in our question they asked two irrational number, right? So for that what I'm going to do, take now we need two more and two endpoints. So you can take the endpoints like so 2 is there and root 6 is there, or you can take two endpoints as root 6 and 3. So I'm going to take the in between irrational number between 2 and root 6. So how you will do the same method? So take a square root, multiply the two endpoint. So what it is, it's nothing but root of 2 root 6. So this is one irrational number, or you can take these two endpoints also. It's our wish totally. So I can take square root and inside the square root I have to multiply the two endpoints. So root 6 into 3. So it's nothing but root of 3 root 6. So this is also an irrational number lying between 2 and 3. So here I will have an irrational number which is 2 root 6, and here in between these two I will be having root 3 root 6. Actually between any two number we have infinite numbers. So if among that we are going to pick some two number or whatever is in the question, whatever they ask. If they ask 5 number, then what we will do, we will take these two as an endpoint, and like that we can keep on doing this. Okay, so now we'll see the method 2. Now in method 2, what I'm going to do, see 2 is a rational number. So what is, how can I write this in the form of square root? I can write root 4, right? So what is the answer for root 4? It's nothing but 2. Now for 3, how can we write in a square root format? Root 9. But this root 4 and root 9 is a rational number, that is not an irrational number. But between root 4 and root 9, what are all the roots are available? Can I write root 5, root 6, root 7 and root 8? Yes. So see, root 5 is a rational number or an irrational number? It's an irrational number. What about root 6? That is also an irrational number. Root 7 is also an irrational number, as well as root 8 also irrational number. So pick any two among these four. So that's going to be the two rational number between the rational 2 and 3. So any two irrational number you can pick among these four. And one more method also I can say, and we know that an irrational number is a non-terminating and non-recurring, right? So in that form I'm going to write one more way. So non-terminating and non-recurring, that means it should not be repeating, it should not get terminate also and need not be recurring also. So first take a number line, this side on the leftmost 2 is there, on the rightmost 3 is there. So in between we have 2.1 2.2 like that. So I'm going to take some 2 points over here. So just I'm taking 2.2 and 2.4. Now with the 2.2 I'm going to write one irrational method, that means expression. So 2.20 200 2000, like that, it's keep on going, it's not terminating. And I'm going to write in the same way for 2.4 also. So can I write 2.40 or 400 4000, like that? It is also non-terminating. See, if I see these two expression, how it is actually looking, it is non-terminating. So it is satisfying this condition, non-terminating, and also it is not repeating. So if you notice this, it is not repeating, right? So it is satisfying the condition of non-recurring. Then I can say this is an irrational number and this is also an irrational number, both lying between 2 and 3. So this is also a right answer, because between any two number we have infinite rational and irrational number. Hope you understood. Thank you.